Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seddy. I film about faith, food, and lifestyle. And today under food, we are going to be making almond donuts and cupcakes. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button. I'm going to dive right into the ingredients. It's very easy. It's a recipe that is, if you're trying to get rid of white flour from your diet, it's very healthy and it's a low carb diet. You have almond flour, you have vanilla bean powder, you have soya bean milk, you have flaxseed powder, and you also have mixed grain. This is full of chia seeds, sesame seeds, all the healthy seeds you can name it. This is a mixture of it, and above all, we are not letting out 2 eggs. We are going to be using some eggs and a baking spray to spray our donut maker and our cupcake tins. We start with beating our eggs. We are going to whisk that all together, mix them properly. We are going to set that aside and we are going to mix our dry ingredients. I forgot to mention we are also going to be using bicarbonate and salt. That's our bicarbonate and salt. I forgot to mention. We are going to mix all the dry ingredients together, and it's very important to mix them properly. That's vanilla bean powder going in. The flaxseed powder went in first. Mix that all up. If you have not yet subscribed, take this time to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We also have other videos up. We are going to mix that properly, and then those are our seeds, full, rich in minerals, rich in vitamins, rich in amino acids, all healthy for your body. Set that aside. Mix our dry ingredients together, mix them properly. If you're thinking of where you can get this, try to visit your all natural product stores. I'm in Belgium. You can get this from Holland and Barrett. If you're in Holland, you can get it from Holland and Barrett. If you're in the UK, you can still get this from Holland and Barrett. This shop has a lot of all natural healthy foodstuffs. You pour in the dry mix with your eggs. You stir that all up together. Stir that properly. It's very easy and healthy. Add in your soya bean milk. At this point, you may be scared that it's so watery. Add in your seeds. Your seeds are going to absorb the moisture in it, and you thicken your mixture. Very easy. Everything is properly mixed, and we are going to set that aside and prepare our donut maker. This is a very easy donut maker. You can get it anywhere. If you don't have a donut maker, use your cupcake tins or just use your cake pan. That's why I made the recipe for donuts and cupcakes. You spray that lightly so that your donuts are not going to stick. When making the cupcakes, we are going to do the same for that. We are using the same mixture for both. Our donut maker is ready. It has been connected to current and it's all hot and ready. We are going to scoop our mixture into it. Remember not to overfill it because you're going to close the donut maker and it's going to rise. So make sure it is just level, because when it rises, it's going to meet up with the cover. You see, I'm scooping out the excess because I want my donuts to have a beautiful shape. I want to have donuts, but very healthy. This is a fun recipe. It's a family recipe. You can do this with your kids. They will have so much fun. Our donut maker is ready, all leveled up. We are going to close that and set that aside for 15 minutes. Set that aside for 15 minutes. And while that is getting ready, I'll preheat my oven to 150 degrees centigrade, and I'll get my cupcakes ready. Here we have our cupcake tins. These are the paper tins. I'm just going to lightly coat them with baking spray. I'm going to scoop our mixture in. This is to show you how versatile this recipe is. You must not have a donut maker. You can make cupcakes with them. Whatever shapes you decide on baking, do it. Scoop that all in. Nothing goes to waste. These were enough just for 5 cupcakes, and to me that was perfect. I did not want to spread it and have very little cupcakes. Back to our donut maker 15 minutes later. Our donuts are perfect. I'm just going to use a toothpick and pick them out. Look at that. That is a donut. Sugar free, healthy, low carbs. That is beautiful. Our donuts are ready. Our cupcakes are ready. All dressed beautifully. I just sliced the cupcakes and put some strawberries inside. In one of them, I put a banana inside. I sliced one of the cupcakes. I put cheese and I sprinkled it with cocoa powder. Just healthy stuff around the house. And if you see, one of the cupcakes is dressed, it's like a chocolate dressing, but that's just peanut butter with chocolate shaving, with coconut shaving, sorry, on it. And I'm going to have that with a glass of soya bean milk. That is also very healthy. And that is it. Very short, very easy recipe. I think healthy is in the brain. It's about your brain. Eat it knowing you're eating something healthy, good for the body, and let's try to keep out sugar from our diet. Let's reduce our sugar intake. You see here, I've put some in the freezer bags, in the Ziploc bags, and I'm going to throw them in the freezer. That's good to go for a couple of days, for breakfast, for a snack, for a dessert. You could also have that with a healthy ice cream by the side. That is wonderful, easy to make. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to cut out carbs, you are good to go for the remaining days. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. That will encourage